morning, everybody. Welcome to the kitchen. Today we're going to make ratatouille. We have already our mise en place ready. We have 2 zucchini sliced. Here is our eggplant. We already cut that, and I've had it sitting in salt for over an hour, so you can see those are all the bitter juices that come off. We want to get rid of that. Here is our onion. We're going to use a can of diced tomatoes and our fresh thyme. So we are going to get everything into our saucepan. We're going to heat up the olive oil and start sauteing our onions first. Our pan is on. We're going to add in our olive oil. We're going to add 4 tablespoons. And then we're going to saute our onions. We're going to let that warm up a bit. Yep. We're going to saute this until they are translucent. In another saucepan, warm it up over medium-high heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To that, we're going to add all of our cubed eggplant, and we want to saute it until it's light golden brown. So we're waiting for our eggplant to get nice and evenly browned around the edges. So you can see it's browning there. So we're not stirring it too often. And once we've got a nice golden brown color on the edges of all of our eggplant, we're going to transfer it into that bowl, and then we're going to start sauteing our zucchini. We're not changing the pot. There's a lot of flavor in the bottom of the pot. We're just adding another tablespoon of olive oil, and now we're going to saute our zucchini. We're doing the same thing with the zucchini that we did with the eggplant, so we're waiting until we get a nice golden brown color on our zucchini. And then we're going to take it out and put it in our bowl separately. Now I'm going to add our onions to our pot. I actually started sauteing them in another pan so that way it will go faster. So we're going to saute these and get a little bit more golden brown color on it. And we're going to return the eggplant and the zucchini to the pot. Our onions have a nice golden brown color on them now. And we're going to add back our sauteed eggplant. Sauteed zucchini. I'm adding in this huge pile of beautiful fresh thyme. That's going to give it a great flavor. And we're going to add in our can of diced tomatoes. I've added the second can, and now we're just going to let this simmer. And there are all those beautiful sprigs of thyme. This has been simmering for about 45 minutes, and we want to make sure we adjust the flavor. So you always want to taste it and then add salt and pepper at the end. So I'm going to give this a taste, and I'm going to add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a nice pinch of black pepper. Here is our beautiful ratatouille. Let's put it in the sun. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous ratatouille with a beautiful sprig of thyme on top. And let's go over 1 large eggplant, 2 large zucchini, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 large onion, and we did 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 4 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, and I did a whole handful of fresh thyme sprigs. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this, and we'll do it at home. Take care, everybody. Bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.